what's we break it and right here. So, Doogee, which is the world's leading brand for rugged phones, recently announced a trio of new solid Android tablets including the Doogee T30 Ultra, T20 Ultra and the T20 Mini. And they were very kind enough to send me the flagships, the T30 Ultra and the T20 Ultra tablets. And honestly speaking, both tablets are far more better than my expectations. So let's quickly unbox them and have a look inside the whole package. So here is the Doogee T30 Ultra. Well, I was expecting the unboxing experience pretty simple, but they have included pretty much everything you need. The first thing you will get inside the tablet box is the screen protector, which is a great gesture. Then the tablet itself, and guess what? You also get a multi-viewing smart case with the tablet and its quality is really great. Then you get a screen protector accessory, some user manual and a 24-watt adapter, a USB to Type-C cable and a SIM ejecting tool. Well, that was an unboxing experience of both tablets because you will get pretty much the same accessories with all the tablets, and that's a really nice thing. Anyway, here it is, the glorious Doogee T30 Ultra. Well, it has a gigantic 11-inch IPS LCD with a 1600 by 2560 pixel resolution, and guys, genuinely speaking, this display is amazing and the touch response is also great. It's also enjoyable to browse, play video games and watching Netflix etc. There is an 8-megapixel front-facing camera to have Zoom meetings and for the video calls, and it has a 16-megapixel camera on the back. Well, overall the camera quality is decent for the tablet, not the great. Anyway, the rest of the spec sheet include a 12GB plus 20GB expandable RAM and 256GB storage, which is far more enough for the tablet uses. And here is the Doogee T20 Ultra. Well, it gets a larger 12-inch 2K LCD with the same 1600 by 2560 pixel resolution. The device also boosts quad speakers, Widevine L1 for high quality viewing experience. The major difference of this tablet compared to the T30 Ultra is that it has a larger 10,800 mAh of battery as compared to the 8,580 mAh of battery of the T30 Ultra with a reverse wireless charging, and that's a really handy feature. So with this T20 Ultra tablet, you can work and play without worrying about the running out of the power. Other than that, both of these devices features an Helio G99 octa-core processor which allows for smooth multitasking and lightning fast performance. I have played some games on both tablets and the experience was pretty solid. Anyway, both the T30 and the T20 Ultra are running on the Android 13. With that said, let's talk about the build quality of these two tablets. Well, both tablets features ultra thin metal body and ultra narrow frame, and I am sure when you hold these tablets in your hands, you will instantly feel the premiumness of the tablets. Plus, they also features an headphone jack. Plus, they also comes with the magnetic pogo pins at the bottom to connect to the keyboard. Connection is instant upon contact and there is no need to charge the keyboard. But you have to buy the keyboard separately because I didn't get it inside the box. But yeah, you have the option to attach the keyboard as well. At the end, I would like to add one thing, which is the price. Well, both are pretty reasonable considering very good spec sheet. So if you want to buy one of these, they are highly recommended, especially the T20 Ultra because I loved it. I loved its display and loved the overall look of the T30 Ultra as well. With that said, the buying link of these tablets will be included in my description box. You can have a look and get one for yourself. So yeah, what do you think about the overall experience of these tablets? Well, do let me know your thoughts on it in the comment section below. And as always, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.